Hey everybody, Randy Stoughton here at the Kegel Training Center in beautiful Lake Wales, Florida again. Today we're going to talk about the inside of the ball versus the outside of the ball. You've probably heard Randy Peterson talk about it on the Pro Bowlers Tour on several occasions, and I want to kind of go through the concept of how this gets achieved versus what most amateurs do. And the key to playing the inside of the ball is to come from a position that says my hand is here versus my hand is here. And of course the elbow is a big key to that position. And the key to the elbow being to the inside, again, goes back to the other tip that I did on angles and making sure that the pendulum stays intact. So keeping the elbow to the inside is the key to keeping the hand to the inside when it comes to the point of release. And if we lead with the shoulder, if this shoulder locks up, the elbow is going to go to the outside and the hand is going to go to the outside, and now we're going to be playing the outside of the ball. If the shoulder drops underneath because there's space, now the elbow will come to the inside and the ball will stay here and the hand will play the inside of the ball, and we can exit the thumb hole from 12 o'clock and then the fingers can rotate around the side of the ball. Really a classic professional release when you watch the best in the world do their job. Thanks for joining in. Hope to see you again real soon at the Kegel Training Center.